It's a new 2018 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time. The F-150 is a leader at the job site. It comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, remote engine start smart device, dual zone climate control, V8 engine, mirror mounted spotlights, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.